video. Yeah, as you can see, I'm riding the four-wheeler, and yeah, I was listening to some rap music, and I'm in the mood to do some donuts. I've already been doing some donuts, but I almost flipped over, so I stopped doing donuts for about 15 minutes. As you can see, I was doing donuts, no matter of fact. You can see where I drifted right here. That's been like that right here, brand new. If you watched the last video, you would know that. And I actually fixed my storage, so I shouldn't run out of the storage this time. Hopefully. But, yeah. It's a views back, you guys. I'm sorry, this is still one of my first times doing a video like this. So, yeah. I don't have a microphone, AirPods, or anything like that yet. I'm getting some of that stuff soon. I'm saving up, and in 2 years, I can get a job. I'm like 2 years. I'm about to turn 13 in like 2 months. So, a year and 2 months, I can be able to get a job. I'm gonna get a job as soon as I can, so I can grind out these videos for you guys, and I can get stuff to put in the videos. I can get microphones from my home. I can get GoPros. I can get computers and all that crap. I have an Acer, but I can't even run an app that's like roll stuff without it lagging super badly. So how do you guys think I'm gonna be able to edit videos on a computer? I edit everything from my phone. Everything from my phone. I edit audio from my phone, I edit video from my phone, I edit photos from my phone, I edit everything I have has been edited on this phone or my Android that I had, but I sold to get this. So yeah. But hopefully you guys can hear me. I don't know if you can, but I'm gonna put the camera up in a few minutes, and I'm gonna hit some donuts with the camera, but I'll try to hit a drift real quick one-handed. It's kinda hard, but also kind of easy at the same time. So, okay, I hit the power button on my helmet on accident, so I'll just make sure it's still recording, but, okay. So we're not gonna do it this time. Okay, got a little bit of a drift there, but not really a drift. I tried to make a video yesterday, but I couldn't get the video to go out. Like, I couldn't get the quad started, and I couldn't get the video out. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see there, but I tried to put you guys in my helmet and see if that worked. But I don't think it did. So, don't think, yeah, you guys won't be able to see if I do that. I'm pointing you guys with 3 fingers right now, so it's kind of dead. No, I'm not doing that. Maybe that is this, I don't know. Should go buy something around. We're good. I almost just ran over our sewage pump. Oh, that's not good. I turned the last second. Holy moly. Let me find a better way to hold this. Here. This is how I usually drive with my right hand. But I have to drive with my right hand because that's where the knob is. So maybe I can put the pop circuit out and... Okay, that's better. Perfect. I can't drift like this, but I mean, like, I can drive like this pretty easily, so that's okay. But I might take my helmet off, but I don't want to get caught riding without my helmet. I'm not allowed to ride without my helmet unless I'm going like 5 miles an hour. Just let this thing run for a little bit, because my family knows that I like to full send my vehicles, and yeah. So gosh, that is not a good look on me. But I don't care, because I'm a content dude. I don't care what the internet thinks of me. I just want to have fun and vlog and hopefully get money to put more stuff in my vlogs. So yeah. Hopefully I can get, not rich, but at least a lot of subscribers and viewers to the point where I can buy a F250 and throw it on at any level with some like 22-inch rims and like 32 Assassinator tires, like Seamaville, but Assassinators on it. Sounds so cool in my head. But yeah, this is my little track. I think I've given you guys a tour before, but I'm not sure. But here we go. I'll give you guys a tour right now. Now I literally have it in my helmets, but I can have it in my helmet, but I can still see. This is the drift pad area. I do drifts right here, right there especially, and then right there I just started doing donuts there again. So I don't know if you guys saw, but I did kind of got a little, like I got a little drift, not sideways, but a teeny drift there. But yeah, I'm gonna end the footage here. I'm gonna put this thing in neutral, or I don't know yet. But I'm gonna try and find an area to post this thing up at where you can see me hit some fat donuts. I could start the tree, but I don't got any paper or anything. I don't want to put it in the woods because then I won't be able to find it. No, I can't put it right there because I might accidentally hit it. I think I found it. I'm gonna end the recording and see if it works. Oh crap, I'm recording. Okay, after some time trying to find a spot, nothing works. That's an awesome shot on my vlog. I got to screenshot that and make that the thumbnail. So, I don't know how much thumbnail. Oh, I might be able to put it right here. Push the 2x4 back. Put it right here. Let's put it like this. Perfect. Yo, I'm gonna hop on the quad and we're gonna do some donuts right here.
I need a heat check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't making to the league yet. I'm the best kept secret. I need a heat check. Yeah, to get the label up. Now we off and running. Every year's been a blessing, but 16 always been a number. You can't really tell me nothing. I see all these rappers buzzing. They don't get the money, I don't need the fame. I could put you on.
I'm only getting sideways right there. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but that's the only place you get sideways at. I can try and fix the camera if you guys can't see that right there. But I hope you saw me almost flip right there. Hold on, I'm gonna park this thing and I'm gonna see if I can get the camera to see that.
Bring it home with my brothers, yeah. And then I need a heat check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't making to the league yet. I'm the best kept secret. I need a heat check. Yeah, to get the label up. Now we off and running. Every year's been a blessing, but 16 always been a number. You can't really tell me nothing. I see all these rappers buzzing. They don't get the money, I don't need the fame. I could put you on game, boy, the spec, I ain't bluffing. I run the operation, finally seeing compensation for the work. I don't believe in no moderation, I believe in dream chasing even when it hurts. Hustle, it's a full-time job, trying to keep snakes out. And then I need a heat check. I'm the one with the high hand, going hella deep with it. Hot damn, life turned into a movie. We had to shoot in my shooters and knock down. Hell no, I ain't about to leave yet. I ain't making to the league yet. I'm the best kept secret. I need a heat check. Yeah, to get the label up. Now we off and running. Every year's been a blessing, but 16 always been a number. You can't really tell me.
Oh crap, a quad! I crashed this thing. See ya. This is a video of me going to park the quad. Yo, what's up guys, it's me after parking the quad. The quad smells like someone's gonna burn, so that's why I put it away. So yeah, bye. Hope you liked the video. I gotta go edit this video now.